welcome to my channel. And here we are going to work on this problem as we have worked on the assembling this drawing. So I believe you have seen the assembling part, and that's the video on the assembling, as we are asked here to assemble the two parts and draw. Question 1 says that in front elevation looking in direction of arrow X, and then a plan, then two end elevations. All right, so we are going to have a video for each of these. We have done the assembly as I said, and then we are going to answer question 1, question 2, and question 3 separate video. Okay, so that's how we are going to do it now. So let's start with question 1. So what we need to do first is to be able to visualize the assembling part of this bed. What I've done here is that I've made a sketch of the assembling. As you can see here, this is the sketch of the assembling. So we are putting this part into this, and that is what I've done here. So I'm making use of this to produce the views that we are asked to produce. So when we are looking in the direction of arrow X, so this is the direction of arrow X. So what we see is what we are going to produce, and let's start and see how that will be done. Okay. All right. So I'm putting this by my side, and then I'm looking at dimensions. I'll be telling you what dimensions. So wherever I need to bring the object, I will bring it so that you can see the dimensions on it. Okay. So first of all, draw the horizontal line. So as we have so many things to do here. Okay, so we have this horizontal line, and then so around here I'm going to draw a vertical line. Okay, so I'll draw this vertical line. Okay, so and then so what we need to do now is that when we assemble the parts, together, when I put this here, so for this part that we have here, so we have the distance from here to here is 36, and then by the time I put this inside, so here we are from here to here is 26. Okay, so this 26 that we have here, it enters into this part. So the total now, so this is 10 from here to here is 10. So if I have what? If I have so 10, okay, 10 plus 20, that's 36 already. So that's 36 already. So we have that, and then the distance from here to here is 80. So 26 is entering into this. So it's entering into this. So if I remove 26 from 80, if I remove 26 from 80, so that is going to give me 50. So that would be 54. Yeah, that's going to be 54. So let's take note of that. So that means I'm going to have what I'm going to so I'm going to have this, so 36, then 54, so 54. So that's what I'm going to have. So let's see how that is going to be worked out. So we first of all take a measurement of 54. So here we have 54, and then from here I will take a measurement of 36 millimeters. So this is 36 millimeters. So then I need to draw a vertical line from each of these points. So draw a vertical line from each of these points. So I take this down. So then I'm going to take this. So I will take it up. Okay, I will draw it from up down. Okay, so we have that. So then so other things that we have here, is that so we have distance. So distance from here to here is 20, from here to here is 36, so from here to here is 30, and then from here to here is 20. So we have to take those measurements. So I first of all take 20 millimeters. So we need to take our time to work this out. So it's not something that we can rush. Okay, so from here now I will take 36 millimeters up, 36 millimeters up. This is 36 millimeters. Then I will take another 30, so another 30 millimeters. Okay, so I need to extend this. So this is 30 millimeters. So and then we have what? We have 20 millimeters here. So we have 20 millimeters. So I believe. Okay, so what I need to do now is that I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So through each of these points, and these horizontal lines, they must go to both the left and right because of the end elevations that we are going to produce. Okay, so I will also draw this. Okay, and here also I will draw horizontal line, so to both sides, and then here I will draw horizontal line to both sides. Alright, so we have done this. So I think I will need to extend. Okay, I will need to extend this vertical line. So just let me extend it. So I may not need it. Okay. Alright, so with what we have done here, okay, with what we have done, so here now, so so what I need to do now is that for this part, so by the time this enters into this, so we are going to see this shape. So this shape, we are going to see it as the front elevation for this part. I'll have it together with this. So that means, so that 10 that we have around here, so the 10 that we have here, I mean this 10 here. So this thickness from here to here is 10 millimeters. As you see here, it's here in the plan. So I need to take, sorry, the front elevation. So I need to take 10 millimeters here. So we take 10 millimeters from here. So this is 10 millimeters. So that 10 millimeters, we need to make sure we show it. So I'm going to draw the vertical line. So I only need it here for the front elevation. Then I will take it down for the plan. Okay, so then, so the next thing that I need here, the next thing I need to show here, so is the shape of this part. I need to show it. So and then so we have that distance from here to here. So okay, so from here to here we have what? We have 15. So I will come up here. This is where we are going to bring out this shape. Okay, so it is 36. The thickness is 36 as we have what? The thickness is 36 from here to here as we have 36 from here to here. So so I will come to this point here. So I'll come to this point here and take 15 millimeters down, 15 millimeters down, and then so we also have that distance from here to here, that is from here to here, is also 15. So that 15, I will take it here on this horizontal line. So this is 15 millimeters. Okay, so I'm going to draw horizontal line. So I will draw horizontal line here to both the left and right. Then I will draw a vertical line down. So vertical line down. So vertical line comes down here. Alright, so I can bring out, so all I need to do now, so all I need to do is to join this point together. Okay, so I'll join this together now. Then I'm going to draw a line. So from here to here, okay, to bring out that shape. So we have this, and then so we are going to have this line, so being a thick line. Okay, so and then so this line also, so this line here will be a thick line. So this line will be a thick line, and then so then we also have this will be a thick line. Then this will be a thick line, and then so this will be a thick line. Also this line here, so this line here, so will be a thick line. Okay, so we are going to have this line So this line will be a thick line like this. Don't worry, I'm going to show you these faces that we have here. Okay, so the whole of this line is supposed to be a thick line up to this point. Then this is also a thick line. So we have a thick line here. Okay, so this line I need to make it a thick line in this. Alright, so looking at what we have here, so the front elevation is in place. So the front elevation of the assembling is in place. So let's look at it together as we have it here. So let's look at it together. So if we assemble, okay, let me bring the one I assembled here. So if we look at this, so this surface that we have here, the whole of this surface is what we see here. It goes like this. I mean this surface like this, okay, like this. So we have it like this here. Then this surface that we have here is here, and then this shape is what we see here. So this gives us the front elevation. So that gives us the front elevation. So what about the plan? Let's do the plan together. Let's do the plan together with this, or probably I go on and okay. Alright, so let's do the plan here also at the same time. Okay, so for the plan, so we are going to see this surface, we see this surface, then we see this surface and this surface here. That is for the plan. Okay, that's for the plan. So we are going to bring that out now. So what I need to do now is that, so I'll come up a little bit, so moving away from the front elevation, then I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. Okay, so draw a horizontal line. Okay, so then so as we have here total distance from here to here, this is 18, and then this is also 18 millimeters. So we need to take that measurement. So we have what we have. So from here I will take 18 millimeters. So 18 millimeters down. So this is 18 millimeters. Yeah, then I will take another 18 millimeters. So this is 18 millimeters here. Alright, so from here I'm going to draw a horizontal line, and the horizontal line will go to both the left and right. Alright, so we have this. So then other thing that I need to have here, so we also have that the thickness from here to here, so the total is also 36. This is 12, 12, 12, so 36. So distance from here to here is 36 as it is shown here. Okay, so so what I need to do now, so for the plan, is to bring out the part as we see it. So how do we show that? How do we show that? So this is going to be a complete thick line like this. Okay, for the rectangle that we have here, so we are going to have looking at the assembling that we did. So looking at the assembling that we did, so we are going to have this line being merged with this and merged with this one. Also the same thing applies to this, so the lines will be merged together. So which means that for this line I need to make it a thick line all through like this. Then I also need to make this one a thick line all through like this. Okay, so then also another thing that we have here is that, so this line so will be merged together, so to form this line. So which means that I need to make this line a thick line, and then so for these two rectangles that we have here, so we need to draw this line like this. Okay, so then we also have this line, so it will be a thick line, and then we have this line to be a thick line like this. Okay, alright, so that is what we have there for the plan. That's what we have there for the plan. The only thing that I'm looking at here is that So the hidden part, I don't think we need to show that. So just leave this as the plan. So this is how the plan of the object should look. It's as simple as I've done it here. So let's go on and produce the end elevation. So for the end elevation, we're asked to draw the two end elevations. We are asked to draw the two end elevations. So we'll do that in the next video. So let's meet in the next video. We have drawn the front elevation and we have drawn the plan. Let's meet on the next video. I will do the two end elevations together in the next video. Thank you.